This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. Today's subject, and again, this is Scott Becker, the founder of Becker's Healthcare, Becker Strategy, also a long-term partner in healthcare at McGuire-Woods. Today's story is Walmart closing 4 Chicago stores, 3 quick points. So one of the fascinating news stories that you have going on now is big retailers, big businesses taking a second look at their footprint in sort of the major cities that aren't necessarily as business friendly. So what you had Walmart say today is that they're closing 4 of their stores in Chicago. They're going to keep 4 of their stores open. The second thing they said is that they've had their stores here for 17 years and they continue to lose money. And in fact, those losses are accelerating. The third thing they said is that in their Chicago stores, they're literally losing tens of millions a year. And so this is a fascinating thing. So you got 3 big data sets. They're closing 4 of their 8 stores. They've been operating in Chicago for 17 years. They're losing tens of millions a year, and those losses have accelerated, double, they said, in the last few years. And of course, the pushback you get, the mayor, of course, says, we're deeply disappointed in Walmart and so forth and so on. But the reality, which is this great mix of business and politicians, is that as much as companies will enter a city to please people politically, in the long run, it's actually got to work for them financially. And Walmart might have been pleased to lose some money here, but certainly wasn't going to live with losing tens of millions a year. In any event, a fascinating story. Walmart closing 4 stores in Chicago. We, of course, do worry about Chicago. We're a Chicago area native. We're seeing the Bears move out of Chicago. We're seeing more and more people move out of Chicago. Illinois has got one of the biggest out-migration states in the country, and it's concerning. But in any event, thank you for listening today. Again, the story today is Walmart closing 4 of their stores in Chicago, which leaves them with 4. Thank you for listening to the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast.